Hey, this is Brandon Thompson, and I'm here at the Mystic Grease Lab, and I'm here with Doug Rice, and today we're going to talk about the Timken test. Doug, I really appreciate you taking the time to explain the reasons why we prefer the 4-ball weld over the Timken test.
The Timken test is one of the early tests for extreme pressure performance of a grease. We prefer the 4-ball weld test to the Timken. Primarily because the Timken has some issues, if you will. First of all, the way the Timken is run is you have a ring that is spinning with the outer part of a race on a stationary flat surface.
Okay.
So there's a line contact and the bearing is turning against that, which does not simulate most applications. And in fact, I've seen very few applications that could be simulated with this. The other thing that I have issues with about this test is when this test is being run, grease is constantly being applied to the application. So you're pumping more and more grease into the contact zone.
Okay.
Rather than an application where you grease the application and then you run it. In the Timken test, you're constantly pumping new grease into the contact zone.
Okay.
And the third thing is, the test is not very repeatable.
Okay.
So if we run the test several times, we will get different results.
I see.
So we find that 4-ball is more repeatable, more reproducible from one lab to another. And because it is point contact, it really applies to more bearing applications.
Okay.
To learn more about the 4-ball wear and 4-ball weld tests, visit mysticlubes.com or visit our Mystic YouTube channel.